Why ice at 0 degrees Celsius is more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? The answer to this question is the latent heat of fusion of ice. Let us try to understand the phenomena in details. At 0 degrees Celsius, when the ice melts, the temperature of the system does not change, though the heat is continuously supplied. The given heat is used up in overcoming the force of intermolecular attraction. This results in the conversion of ice into water. As this heat energy is absorbed by ice without any rise in temperature of the system, this heat is considered as hidden in the system and is known as latent heat. So that much of latent heat is taken from the substance, and so it will cool the substance more than water at the same temperature, i.e. at 0 degree Celsius. So two factors are there. One is the latent heat of fusion, and as more heat is required to overcome the strong intermolecular forces in solid, here in this case ice, so ice is more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature. Thank you.